Flip.
Thank you Liberalis Skateboards for the deck. It's got a solid pop. So I've been neglecting my heel flips ever since I landed the first one almost a year ago. I just stopped practicing them and lost them. Only recently I started to get them back. So today I will diagnose some of the issues that I was having with it and what I did to solve them so I can start landing them again. Let me just make this clear, this is not a tutorial video. I've only been skating for just less than 3 years, so I don't think I'm in a position to give people expert advice. I would highly recommend that you watch loads of heel flip tutorials, not just the one, because they all add something a little extra to it, a little twist to it. The one that worked out for me was watching Neen Williams' heel flip. So if there's anything that you should be taking away from my videos, it's just some motivation to go out and skate or learn something new like filmmaking. All right, let's teach you guys how to heel flip. Look at that grip job. If anyone needs their board gripped, that'd be £10. So the first thing I struggled with is over flicking the board, or sometimes completely missing the flick, so I had to work on the flick. So I changed up my foot positioning for that. I initially had my foot placement like so, with the front toes hanging, which works out for the majority of skaters. However, for me, it will result in an underflick or sometimes completely missing the flick. Instead, I started to hang my heel. Hanging the heel meant I had to increase the power in my flick. It takes some time to figure out the amount of power you need to put into the flick, and I would often overflick, but overall I feel more stable with more of my foot on the board.
Don't ask me my advice, I don't teach. Don't judge my way of life, I don't preach. I just want to be long, please can you leave? I ain't used to the way that you perceive. 100,000 eyes on me, telling lies on me, just listen to you see. Goja, ready with my fist like I'm a monster. Cut you down the battle without a chopper back. I'm a monster.
So the other problem I was having was that, what was I having? Forgot. So the other problem I was having was that the board was always landing ahead of me. This is because I would lean too far back before popping, thus shooting the board ahead of me. To fix this, just like with every trick, you need to adjust your weight distribution. So if the board lands in front of you, you are leaning too far back. If you lean too far forward, the board ends up behind you. Keep adjusting until the board stays under you. What helps me is to look at the concave part of the board. This usually corrects my weight distribution. By the way, if you need skate lessons from someone who actually knows what he's doing, contact this guy. I didn't record a talking part for issue number 3, which was that I would do rocket flips, because I got too shy to speak in front of the camera while the lesson was going on. I was rocket flipping because I would do the flick a touch too early. Rocket flips make it really difficult to stick the landing. You've got to ollie first before flicking. Damn! It's like a tray, yeah. Now I need to work on getting my heel flips more consistently, so every time I go for a skate sesh I plan to land at least 5. If I can go to a skate park and bust a heel flip first try, believe me, I'm going to be a really happy, sad old man. By the way, I will be uploading behind the scenes footage to the intro I did for this video. It was painful. I had to learn new software, free software called Blender for all the 3D work. here's just a glimpse into what I had to do. It took almost 6 hours to render this 2-second scene. I just started a new job, so bear with me with the uploads. I plan to make more YouTube videos and behind the scenes footage on my Patreon account. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video was somewhat useful or motivational or whatever. I'll see you next time.